Ek het nie die verskil geken tussen plante nie. Ek het nie geweet wat is inheems nie, ek het nie geweet wat is uitheems nie. En hierdie projek het regtig 'n groot impak op my lewe gehad. Nie net in die werk nie, maar ook persoonlik.
So if you ever had a story of hope, this is a true story of hope in the Grootvadersbos Conservancy at the southernmost tip of Africa. So the Grootvadersbos Conservancy is situated on the Langeberg Mountain between Swellendam and Heidelberg roughly. We serve about 19 landowners and work in about 22,000 hectares of mountain catchment. This is a very special area. It's home to a lot of different and threatened ecosystems and fauna and flora. One of our biggest challenges is the alien vegetation in the area. They cause massive land degradation. Probably the most biggest one is the water consumption on a daily basis.
The Conservancy had been investing a lot of time into passive restoration, which is alien clearing, but they didn't have a lot of experience with active restoration, which is the actual planting in the field. There are environments that have been so transformed that without assistance, there won't be natural regeneration.
So we were lucky in 2022 to get the IKI Small Grants. It's a German-funded project that enabled us to start a restoration program alongside our existing alien vegetation program.
Toe hierdie projek begin, die restaurasie het in ek dink 2022, ek het gegroei. Ek sê altyd as 'n mens nie 'n passie vir iets het nie, jy moet 'n liefde hê. En ons het so lief geraak vir plante.
Some of the main challenges were the relationship that the people had with the environment. Even though many of the people within the project actually come from this area, they were disconnected. Their sense of why they were doing the work was also, it's a job. You know, it's a job, we get paid, we get here, we do it.
Ek het gevat 'n boom is net 'n boom. En 'n plant is net 'n plant. Ek het nooit die name geken of geweet of hulle belangrik is of nie.
So some of the aspects of the training that we did included all the stages of active restoration. So we started at the beginning with observing the natural environment and identifying ecology and ecosystems. Then we teach the implementation, the planting side, and then we do it practically as well in the field, where we start with putting out flags, and the team will go in and the flag matches the plant species, and then they go put the plants by the flags, and then we do a mass planting together.
Ek moet sê die impak wat die restaurasie vir ons gebring het is vir die feit dat ons soveel plante kon aanleer. Ek kan vir mense gesê dat hierdie is 'n inheemse plantjie en hierdie is 'n uitheemse plant. So ons is hier om die inheemse plante te beskerm. Altyd met soveel liefde.
Toe ek na die nursery begin, toe sal ek uitvind. Hulle daarom name, hulle kan luister, ons kan gesels met hulle en alles. Ek is baie lief vir my plante.
Toe ek nou by Corneille kom weer, sê 2 jaar terug. Toe kom hier ek ook nog van saadjies en ek is lief tot by my huis is 'n groot tuin. Maar ek het nie verstaan van ek kan daai saadjie gaan vat en in die grond sit. Toe ek dit nou by hulle leer, toe doen ek dit nou by my huis ook. Nou dit ook 'n groot tuin. Nou my vetplantjies, bytanie en die pad lyk pragtig.
We really focused within this project to build relationship again. It really is about connecting to the plant on an emotional level. Maybe there's a story, maybe it reminds you of your childhood, and those were the things that we really wanted to bring in.
Toe ek nou hier kom werk, toe my hart maar net oopgegaan. Ek wil net hier by die nursery werk, want ek kry gemoedsrus, die voeltjies fluiten, maar ek wil net in die nursery werk.
Ek was so bevoorreg om mense aan te stel wat in haglike omstandighede geleef het, want werk was skaars. Ek kon dit wat ek geleer het in die projek kon ek met hulle deel.
Audrey absolutely loved this new opportunity for growth. And I think that was the spark that we saw in her. She was immediately excited to not only learn new skills, but to give new opportunities to her team. She also realized that they've been working in nature for so long and they've been missing half of it.
So this project is based in and around the Grootvadersbos Conservancy, but that doesn't mean you can't get involved. By virtually donating a tree, you are contributing to restoring our forests and to rebuild our connection to nature. And this can benefit everyone around the world.
Dit is in onze genen zeker, maar die veld en die groenigheid is in onze genen. Het is zo, ja. Dat is mooi.